How to register and create an account with Bank of America Online Banking. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the web browser and at the top you can see the search box. Type in there bankofamerica.com. You will land to this kind of page. Now from here you can easily create your Bank of America Online Banking account. Over here you can see this option of enroll. Click on it. Here you have to provide some details. In this box you have to type in last 6 digits of your card or account number. Now over here you will need to type in your social security number, SSN or tax ID number, TIN. In the case you don't have SSN or TIN, you can click on this option, don't have an SSN or TIN, and then you will be directed to the another page from where you can get the SSN or TIN. After you fill all these information regarding your account, you can click on this option of continue given over here. And then you're gonna land to the another page where your account will be created. So this was a very simple and quick process. This is how you can easily register and create an account with Bank of America Online Banking. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.